కాశీఖండం. Thank you, sir. Now I request
I'll dedicate whatever and I can probably say that one among such gurus is Dr. also. And I was a student at New College. I had the privilege of hearing lecturers contracts from his books, law contracts. And pronounced to other preceding the other co-chairing members of the dais. As per the protocol, firstly, the respect should be to the principal, the head of the institution, the respect to Sivani Garu, the principal, and correspondent Garu, who is the key, who has accepted arrangement of all these things, deserves next respect from me and as well as you, and on behalf of all of us, I convey my respects and appreciation for lecturer. And clarity, for two things, respect and separate the regards to Shobham Garu. One thing is his position in the service of the institution. Second thing is introducing all the program in the accelerator. And the other gentleman who introduced me excellently, Sir Respect Sir. And I acknowledge the presence of Senior Sir, who is present here, and son of Sri Raman Garu, who I respect and consider on par with my senior Ramakrishna Garu. And on civil side, I had so many inputs from my senior Ramakrishna Garu. As far as criminal side is concerned, from the first case to the end, Sri Raman Garu guided me on the various aspects, including when I asked for the judgeship. But I'm doubtful, Sharma, whether you sustain there or not, because your temperaments are different. What I collect is the impressions and guidance and the affection, fatherly affection, and I started my tributes to Sri Raman Garu taking this opportunity. And I also acknowledge the presence of my associate, Srinivas, who is public prosecutor and who is a proud student of this professional college, and he was associated with me even from his student days. He was studying second year BL, and he joined my office from second year itself. He continued till my opting for the judgeship as a district judge. He was with me, and later he got a selection as public prosecutor, and he is doing his best for the system, and I acknowledge his presence. The other team who are present here from the faculty end, I acknowledge the presence of Madam. And we had when I was in war also, me, and I had good times with these people. And I have concern and association, rather affection, rather owning of personal happiness for three reasons. One reason is it is in Kattur, first reason. Second reason is I was associated with this college for the guest lectures and special programs conducted for junior civilians selection, trainings, etc. The programs were conducted during college period. And in that way, I have mostly there, and wherever the law students are there, and I wish to and I want to spend good time, not with the intention that I can say something, but with the intention that I can learn something from you with all your fresh thoughts. During the course of journey, in the initial days, there will be a lot of emotions, there will be a lot of passion, and they want to do something for the system, society, either evolve. But when we go on with the system journey, then things gets diluted. Because the experience tells us what is practically possible, what is not practically possible, and the evolution is not one day business. Either good or bad cannot become in one day. It takes its own time and it takes its own journey. To build something, it takes its own time. Even to destroy it takes its own time. So let us not be worried about too attached to either good or bad, but let us have a good intention to do whatever we want to, and let us forget whatever bad happened. Simply on the point that let us be positive. And only when you think that you can do, you will do. If you think that it's not possible, you can't do it. So being positive is one thing. And as far as law is concerned, like the ocean, many elderly people get it is law is the ocean. Its horizons are ever expanding. It will be expanding. And its depth are unsettlable. They are deeper. No one can say that this is the end. Either in horizons or in depth, we can say that is the end. That's why we shall be students forever. One question before going further, I want to move to you and expecting some answer. Is there any difference between law student and student of law? Law student and student of law, is there any difference? Can somebody attempt? There is nothing wrong in attempting. Law Lenin says, you may be wrong, you must be clear. There is nothing wrong in being wrong, but you must be clear and certain. So I appreciate even the wrong answer. Law student and student of law. You are all law students or students of law? Law students. Law students. Why you are not students of law? Who said who first said law students? Then very good, sir. Why you are a law student?
Law student is present tense, whereas student of law is present continuous tense.
So it will continue. So the moment the BA degree is given to you, you come out and you enroll as an advocate. Then you will be still law student.
Yes.
You are saying that it is a continuous. Then still you will be a law student. Then what is student of law? Person who completed is a law student or student of law? Then if you are a student, what is a completion master of law? Then you will become a master. A completed person is nothing to ready. Student is who is going to study is a student. Once completed, still can you be considered as a student?
I think in classes because our field is always learning something new.
Please. What's your please introduce yourself, your good name?
My name is Shivani.
Shanti. Shivani, very good.
I'm first year student.
Yeah.
First year student of PE.
Wonderful. That's what the vibrance and technical insight. That must be there, keep it up. So the student of law, what do you want to say as not a student of law? Student of law is a completed one or
Law student who is pursuing currently.
that is law student.
Law
Fine.
The
Student of law.
person who has completed and get the graduation called as student of law, which he has completed.
Any development, somebody want to develop that, sir, please.
Student is someone who is pursuing law.
But when we say student of law, it doesn't restrict to any particular individual, sir. Be it me or you or the district court judge or supreme court judge, everyone is student of law.
Wonderful.
Because it's not contingent.
Let three of you please come over here. Then Mukul sir can give them a reclam. Sir, we must live now.
ఒక దగ్గర దగ్గర రాండి దగ్గర రండి
My staff, these are not the staff, my staff. Why is for like last student maybe for a particular period, 3 years or 2 years, whatever is my understanding, and I place it before you, and I release the invitation, and it is for you to decide at one time. So the first thing is that. So, second thing. Did anyone of you here say what you study here is not of any use? Practice is different and classroom study is different. This will not be used. తెలుగు అన్నారు ఒక చిన్న డిఫార్మేషన్ మనకు భాషతో ఏమైనా ప్రమేయం ఉందా లా ప్రాక్టీస్ కు ఏ ప్రమేయం లేదా భాష అవసరమా లేదా అవసరం లేదు అని వాడు చేతులు ఇంగ్లీష్ అవసరం లేదు అని వాడు చేతులు ఎత్తండి ఇంగ్లీష్ అవసరమే అయితే అవసరం లేదా ఇంగ్లీష్ అవసరం ఉందా లేదా లెటర్ ది బోర్డ్ అవసరం లేదంటే అవసరం లేదని చెప్పండి ఇంగ్లీష్ అవసరం లేదు సార్ చెప్పండి మళ్ళీ ఆన్సర్ కూడా సారే చెప్పాలి సో ప్రాబ్లీ మై బెనిఫిట్ జస్టిఫైడ్ అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి అవసరం లేదు కానీ కమ్యూనికేట్ చేయడానికి అవసరం లేదు ఇందాక రికన్సైల్ హార్మోనియస్లీ ది టూ థింగ్స్ లా ఈజ్ ఆల్సో మనం చెప్పడానికి ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయడానికి ఇంగ్లీష్ అనేది నేచర్ స్టాట్యూట్ బుక్ కానీ అఫీషియల్ లాంగ్వేజ్ కానీ కోర్టులో వాడేది కానీ ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇంగ్లీష్ ఖచ్చితంగా అవసరం. సో హ్యావ్ ఏ వ్యూ దట్ English is also important. Try to get as much as mastery over English, without which I am sure that you will be in second chair only. When you want to occupy the first chair, that barrier, language barrier, and language, you are not good at language, is going to give you the second chair only. That's what my experience. So this is one of it. So then, coming back to question, do you feel that what you read here has any necessity or utility in courtroom? Or ఇది వేరు అది వేరు, దిస్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్ దట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్ అని మీరు ఎవరైనా మీకు చెప్పారా, మీరు విన్నారా? నిజం చెప్పండి. సో వన్ ఆఫ్ యూ హూ ఇస్ రెడీ టు స్టాండ్ అండ్ ఫర్ ది చాప్టర్. How do you say that? Yeah, what is your view? Whether it is relevant or not relevant? What somebody said that what you read here is not relevant for this courtroom practice. Firstly, you accept it or you will not accept it? You accept it. Fine. So what is your year? In which year you are studying? Completed. Very good. You have completed. Wonderful. So, wonderful case study for me. Right. Why do you feel, or where do you feel, Jesus can impact you? Okay, very good. I'll update you.
మైక్ దగ్గర
చెప్పేవాళ్ళు ముందుకు రండి. వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ గుడ్ నేమ్? Vasundhara Devi. So this doubt, this dilemma is there in every month. Whoever is in last college and actually even I was with that, and I was said the same thing, that what you ready here is totally different from what the courts you see in the courts and the experience in the court. You are given the same impression. Now you are subscribing that information that whatever is saying, that whatever is what they are saying, you are subscribing to that and you are supporting that. You are supporting?
Yes, sir.
Why are you supporting and what is the difference you feel? Where exactly you feel that it is not useful? What you read here is not useful to the court, useful to the court. What is your experience where it did not help you?
Sir, not useful means completely not.
Okay, now first change it. I think it is not completely useful, it is partly useful. Not totally useless. So what you read here, let me please. The first stand is it is totally different. That is totally different. This is totally different. That is totally different. This is not a good health. This is first stand. Now just when we start thinking together, not totally, some part is helpful, some part is not helpful. Which part is helpful? Which part is helpful? Which helpful you? What you study here, not helpful you. Let us be thankful to what you have learned. What is helpful to you?
Sir, the theory which we will study, in theory which we will study here, it will be helpful when we leave the cases and while at the time of examination.
One example, did you have any one file chapter? Did you read at least one file? One matter at least you presented before the court?
Yes, madam.
Any case, any adjournment, any adjournment, any petition, any case, you did not manage. Then you have to come 50-50. This 50 is to 50 obviously. You have not experienced so far whether it is useful or not. Okay, fine. So, there it is not useful. What is useful you are unable to say, but with your vision you are able to say that when you frame a case, some substantial law you read, some theoretical aspects you read may be helpful to you to understand is what you want to say. Okay? Fine. What is not useful, unless I experience it, I cannot say what is not useful. అంతేనా? ఎక్కడ యూజ్ లేదు అనిపించింది నీకు మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లో వాట్ ఈస్ నాట్ టాట్ హియర్, వాట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ న్యూ టు యూ?
In practical point of view, sir, while we go to court, how to
Entering
file a
into
case.
court, entering into court. What did you feel entering into court? What did you find? You entered into court, what did you find? Which court you entered into?
Whatever may be courts are
One
district
court, let us
court,
take example of one court. Which court you entered into?
district court.
District court. Where is district court? District court, what have you heard first time after going to practice, or did you hear that word here?
No, sir, I went to practice.
Only on practice you heard the word district court, you did not hear that word here. Where did you hear?
In college.
I don't know which subject you heard that word. Where you heard that word, district court?
Courts.
Huh? Which particular subject?
Hierarchy in the court system. Hierarchy of courts, we have the courts.
Hierarchy of courts. Hierarchy of courts, whether it is separating or in the particular branch
CRPC,
of
comes
law.
under CRPC. Criminal procedure code.
Criminal procedure. Whether it is criminal procedure code refers to district court or any other court.
District court.
Criminal procedure code refers to district court or any other court.
Other courts also, sir.
District court whether referred in criminal procedure, whether district court is referred in CRPC or CPC.
CRPC.
CRPC.
CPC.
CPC. But what court is referred in CRPC?
CRPC.
What is the court equivalent to district court referred in CRPC?
Sessions court.
Yes, there you are. So that is there in the CRPC you read here, district court you read here in CPC. So practical aspect where you enter into court, which court you have to enter into, is there available?
Sir, complete knowledge we cannot get from here itself. That
I
is
will
also one
not have
point.
complete knowledge. I will not have complete knowledge. I am only a basic knowledge. For a moment I am only a basic knowledge. So basic knowledge, here you have to enter the word, understanding of the word, this something. What do you mean by complete knowledge? Reading the case, or writing the case, or performing the case? From what point of view you say that it is a complete knowledge? మీ ప్రకారం కంప్లీట్ నాలెడ్జ్ అంటే దేన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని కంప్లీట్ నాలెడ్జ్ అంటున్నారు?
All, sir.
ఆల్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్. సో పర్ఫార్మింగ్ ద కేస్ అనేది ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ వస్తుందో రాదా? ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ అంటే ఎక్కడ ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ వస్తుంది? వాట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ వస్తుంది? సిపిసి వస్తుంది, సిఆర్పిసి వస్తుంది,
Evidence.
ఎవిడెన్స్ సిఆర్పి వస్తుందా? అలాగే డైరెక్ట్ కోర్టు దగ్గర చూస్తాము, ఇక్కడే చూస్తాము. Fine. So this is complete knowledge. So basic knowledge, the definition part and other things we learn here. Complete knowledge with regard to performance, unity, and procedural laws. Okay? Are you convinced with my argument? Not convinced. I appreciate you. It's very basic. So don't convince me. I ended the same thing. Very appreciated. So on what? Let me, please convince me that I say that everything is here. What is not here? You please ask me a question, I will answer what is not here.
Okay, sir, everything is here only you are saying, sir.
except the operating, except the medical college, doctor will learn anatomy, doctor will learn, doctor will see somebody operating, and except cutting the body and operating, all things are in the medical college only. Like now, all things are here only. You, that's what. Only thing is you performing. It's a driving school. You have to drive the vehicle. And what are the various parts of the car, and all the brakes, gates, all of the things will be there. So it's a driving school also. You have to perform. How best to perform is a different thing when you go home. Your performance. Your son will not be seen by somebody else. You have to sing your own song. That is the core performance. How to sing, what are the laya, prasa, so all the things will be in this. That's what I'm trying to convince you. Okay, if you are not convinced, I am happy. If you are convinced equally, I am happy. I am successful. I may not be successful, but I am happy that you are attending to it. Very debatable, good debate.
Sir, without practicing, we will get.
Without practicing, fine. So you have to put it to practice. Whatever you have learned, unless you put it to practice, you cannot be. Right?
So 50-50, sir.
Then you will 2 chocolates. 2 chocolates. Vasundhara. You second time?
Actually, we both are the classmates.
Okay, very good. You want to add something to what she said?
Small point, sir.
Please.
Each knowledge is different.
Last toppers also put.
The both are academic.
Yeah, very good.
Sir, actually, bookish knowledge is different to practical. So we learn many things by going court and visiting the proceedings and also.
Very good.
But here, what is the stamp duty? How much we will charge? How much we are going to file a case for Vakalatma? How much we are charging? And all the procedure and practical knowledge we will get by visiting
Very
the court.
good. I appreciate. Certain part of the things, you will learn only on going to classes. If you are so interested, if you have a zeal, I say that even those things you can know. What is the effort? Stamp duty, what stamp is payable, how much stamp is payable, what is the stamp in respect of agreement, what is the stamp in respect of the safety, what is the envelope, totally how is payable, how much payable in respect of what class, how is payable, everything is in books. Whatever is in books is theoretical. Whatever is in books is theoretical. Whatever you do is practical. 100 rupees stamp is to be affixed. Negative is to be affixed by using tongue and using by water is a practical thing. It can depend on one's own interaction. But 100 rupees is to be used or 50 rupees is used to be a Buddhist thing. What you use the tongue or something else is a practical thing. So that craft you will get there, but the basic thing you will here is mind. Use the fullest, and fullest use does not mean using the walls, using the windows, using the internet. You use this also, you use interaction also, to just put your various thoughts and vibrants, and all your vibrants, if you put together, then you will get hundreds of questions. All the hundreds of questions and answers for all the hundreds of questions are within you only. Don't expect spoon feeding. And you will find in the books only. Again, you will find the same in the books only. Except style, how a file is to be done, how it is to be printed, how a tag is to be put into it. These are all the things, of course, not there. Of course, even for that also, what is the paper size, what is the printing of motion, these are there in the
So
books.
as a junior advocate, we are facing all these things.
Very good. So you will learn that how I was referring to practical things. So 90% here only 10%, because that 10% will be put first. And then we cross that 10% will go to this 90%. That people at 10% spot say that we did not talk like that, we don't know like that, we don't know like that, you go to class, no, you don't go to class, it's okay, you will pass anyhow, you will attendance is not compulsory, library is not compulsory, lecturing is not compulsory, hearing is not compulsory. Always, if you have a police station, if you have an ambulance staging, if you have something else, you are successful. These are all somebody will misguide you. Don't fall in them, all the nonsensical things. And I say in all right now to boast myself. I was the first man to go into the classroom. I was the last man to come out of the class. Even after completion of the class, till evening I was there in the class, and my colleagues were some, not me and me, cannot receive that there. So, I will practice and I will put it to that. I am saying,
We both are regular students.
Sure, ma'am. I am not telling you that you are not a student.
Sir,
So
recent
you will
judgment
have
of
to check
Supreme
it.
Court 3 years mandatory, it made some different
That question I will come, interactive session can I will come later.
Small.
Sir, completely. All the best. So, let's start here. I planned, madam, you wanted to compliment
CPC లో
something.
మేము ఫైల్ తెచ్చి అన్ని ఈవెన్ స్టాంప్
తెలుగు నేర్పిస్తున్నావు?
అన్ని కూడా నేర్పిస్తున్నాం
Oh,
సార్.
super.
అంటే 7 చెప్పేటప్పుడు డీటెయిల్స్ ఎక్కడ రాసుకుని ఇవి కూడా తెచ్చి
Very good.
చూపిస్తున్నాం సార్.
Very good. Very good.
ఫైల్ తెచ్చి చూపిస్తున్నాం సార్. రిటర్న్ స్టేట్మెంట్
Right. Next question. Do you feel that the books are necessary for a lawyer or not necessary? Library and books are necessary for your office or not necessary? How many are necessary? And then how, why they are necessary? Why they are necessary? All senior debates, all cinemas, all TV serials, whenever the advocate office is there, they are reading books and the advocate was sitting in a chair, behind his chair, there are books. That's why for the show purpose, the books are necessary for us. Whether it is for just dramatization or gathering there, or whether it is for editing. What is that purpose for which you need the books? Reference in books necessary, books are necessary for ఇంత పెద్ద బుక్ చదవాలి, చదవడానికి టైం పడుతుంది, 2 రోజులు ఫీజు ఇస్తే చాలు, 5 వేలు ఫీజు చేయడానికి. These things won't pay. These things may temporarily and in long run they will never forget about all this. So, reference is a good word to use. How would you refer? Have you referred any book? In which style you refer? Reference, ఒక బుక్ ను రెఫర్ చేయాలి అన్నారు. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మోడాలిటీ అండ్ మోడస్ అండ్ ప్యాటర్న్ ఆఫ్ రెఫరింగ్ ఎ బుక్? నేను చెప్పినా పర్లేదు, ఇంతవరకు చెప్పడానికి రెడీ ఉన్నాను, అలా అయిపోతున్నాయి. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ నేమ్ బాబు? పక్కన గడికి చెప్పండి, నాకు నాకు డివైస్ లేదు. రవితేజ, వెరీ గుడ్ సార్. రవితేజ చెప్పండి, రవితేజ ఇక్కడ మాట్లాడు. చెప్పండి, ఎందుకు పుస్తకం అన్నారు, రెఫరెన్స్ అన్నారు, రెఫరెన్స్ ఎలా చేయాలి అనేది వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ వ్యూ ఆఫ్ రెఫరెన్స్ అండ్ హౌ ద రెఫరెన్స్ కెన్ బి మేడ్?
Sir, in my perspective of view, a book is a marriage of practical and theoretical both versions. They consider
మీరు ఒక పుస్తకం ఏదైనా దేనికోసమైనా రెఫర్ చేసేవారు, రెఫర్ చేసింటే ఏ బుక్ రెఫర్ చేశారు, ఏ పాయింట్ రెఫర్ చేశారు ఏమన్నా, హౌ డిడ్ యూ ఆ బుక్ లో రెఫర్ చేయడానికి పార్ట్ ది పార్ట్ టు రెఫర్ ద బుక్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద పార్ట్ టు విచ్ యు రెఫర్ ద బుక్? So we not try so far. No progress. I appreciate. Sir, maybe you want to say something on reference.
Sir, myself, my name is Narasimha.
Lakshmana?
Narasimha.
Mike.
Very good. No, other part of it. I love this one. Next.
Sir, whenever we look some words, we are looking in the gallery and same way they are mentioned in the page numbers also.
Okay.
You can go to that page number.
Okay.
You will refer from the thing.
Okay. Did you ever refer any journals? Books, you just now we are thinking about your books and reference the books. And what are the books, various books useful to lawyers? What are the various books useful to lawyers? Can you name some books, generally, textbooks in only? Then another thing, what is another book?
లీగల్ మ్యాన్
Legal,
వేర్ యాక్ట్
legal magazines, okay, magazines. Can you name any magazine? Did you hear about AIR? AIR is there a padam?
Yes.
Sir, what is that?
Reporter, All India Reporter.
రిపోర్టర్ ఇంకా రిపోర్టర్ స్పేస్ ఉన్నారా? దాంట్లో ఏముంటుంది? వాట్ విల్ బి ద రిపోర్ట్?
Case study judgment.
కేస్ స్టడీ ఉంటుందా లేకుంటే కేస్ స్టడీ అంటే వాట్ యు మీన్?
Precedents available, sir, already.
ప్రెసిడెంట్స్ వెరీ గుడ్. మీ జాబ్ మీ చాక్లెట్ తీసుకోండి, ఇవేమో ఇచ్చేయండి అంతే. సో ప్రెసిడెంట్, can anybody from this line precedent ఏమైనా చెప్పగలరా? Precedent ఏమైనా చెప్పగలరా? గట్టిగా క్వశ్చన్ స్టాండింగ్ మోషన్ previous judgments of cases rendered by High Court. మీరు బంగారపల్లి కోర్టులో అప్పీల్ అవుతున్నారు. బంగారపల్లి కోర్టులో 10 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం ఒక జడ్జిమెంట్ చెప్పారు, బంగారపల్లి కోర్టులో చేస్తే సైంటిస్ట్ అవుతుందా కదా? అవుతుందా? దాని కూడా ప్రెసిడెంట్ అంటామా? దాని కూడా ప్రెసిడెంట్ అంటామా? High-Court and Supreme Court alone can be considered as president. Why they are alone can be considered as president? That they are adjective ఉందా? Presidents లో మీకు ఏమైనా president various branches of presidents and how to understand presidents? Three components are there as far as presidents are concerned. Okay, I will come more closer. Ratio. Did you hear the word ratio? Anyone of you heard the word ratio? Ratio designated. Ratio designated. What do you? Did you hear the word ratio designated? Who can say what is meant by ratio designated? Who can say what is ratio designated? Decision behind the judgment. What you are missing something. Rational behind the judgment. Rational behind the judgment. Principle decided on the rational behind the judgment. This person is charted. Next. What is the arbitrary dicta?
Opinion of the
You are the question. Very standard question. Next. ఇంకోటి ఏముంది? రేషియో డెసిషన్ అర్థం చెప్తే ఇంకోటి ఏముంది? మూడోది ఒకటి ఏదో ఉన్నారు. ఎవరు ఎవరది? ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తారు. బ్రాకెట్ వచ్చి కూర్చోండి. రేషియో డెసిషన్ అర్థం చెప్తే ఇంకొక పదం ఏంటి? స్టేట్ డెసిషన్. వాట్ ఇస్ స్టేట్ డెసిషన్? ఇంకా స్టేట్ డెసిషన్ చెప్పడం కాదు. స్టేట్ డెసిషన్ అంటే హూ కెన్ సే స్టేట్ డెసిషన్? Who can say about statistics? Can anyone say about statistics? Challenge. Consistency. నేను ఎప్పుడు ఒకే మాట మాట్లాడాలి. ఇందాక చెప్పాను మేము మళ్ళా చెప్తాను. స్టెరిలైసిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ మై ఎర్లియర్ కాంటాక్ట్ ఇస్ బైండింగ్ ఆన్ మీ. My conduct is binding on me is sterilization. Habitual dicta is says something in the course of discussing. ఏదో నేను వచ్చింది వేరే పర్పస్ ఏదో మాట్లాడుతూ మధ్యలో రెండు మాటలు మాట్లాడాలి. That is not habitual dicta. What I am mainly concentrating dispute between the land dispute between the parties, whether the title is there or not, whether the limitation is there for that filing of the case, whether limitation is expired or not, and whether 3 years limitation is applicable, if so, from what date the limitation is applicable. And whether it saves the limitation, these are all ratios. And arbitrary is by deciding a legal principle. Ratio is exactly deciding something a legal principle, not exactly the decision in a case. It is something a legal principle set by the constitutional courts, maybe High Court or Supreme Court, based on they set a legal principle. So even if the coding of wrong coding of law is not a part, if the party is otherwise entitled to a relief. నేను 151 CPC వేసే బదులు 151 CRPC వేసాను. అంటే టైప్లో పెద్ద మిస్టేక్. అప్పుడు సిఆర్పిసి కోట్ చేశారు, 151 వేసే బదులు 141 వేశారు. సో ఇట్స్ నాట్ వి నీడ్ నాట్ బ్రేక్ అవర్ హెడ్ ఫర్ దట్, జస్ట్ స్మాల్ మిస్టేక్ ఆఫ్ సో కోడింగ్ రాంగ్ ప్రొవిజన్ ఆఫ్ లా ఇస్ నాట్ ఏ bar. This is a principle decided. The principle decided is a ratio. Okay. By saying that, I say that no, some Nandikapur it so happens, and Bangalore it so happens, and some place it so happens, and Mumsy Court it so happens. That if I say all those things, they are all applicable. They are not binding. Every Nandikapur case may not be looked at the same view, but every non-coding of provision should be looked at that view. That is the ratio. Arbitrary expresses something as an illustrative thing, as an opinion, or okay, if you are the people are negligently doing, they must be more careful. If they are not careful, they have to suffer. However, keeping the view of the parties faith in the truth in mind, I am not considering it seriously. If I observe that this is only an arbitrary, that is not binding. I need not observe the same thing in mind, bound by the same thing. But after Supreme Court observe is concerned, it's binding on other courts. The ratio of High Court or Supreme Court is binding on the subordinate courts. Not subordinate court, the district judiciary. The word subordinate court shall not be used. It's only the district judiciary. Usually lower court, subordinate court, these words are misnomers. They are duplicated. Using of those words is duplicated, and again Supreme Court is banning that we shall not use those words. And a respectable usage of words every court, courts are courts. That's all. So the district judiciary shall bindingness. If the district court judgment is there, it's not binding on its own thing. Like what? Then stay basis is for that court only. See, even stay basis is binding. I take one decision, that decision is binding on the next case. That principle is binding on the next case. So long as I am the same court. But it is a higher court, it is not binding. If it is a larger bench, not binding. These are the principles related to precedents. These of course you have to study here only. You can't say that after going there, after going static practice there, I will study this interpretation of statutes and principles of interpretation and understanding of precedents, law of precedent, all these things you have to do. Okay? Next. Chapter next. Whether your friends and relatives or family members are comparing you with that people, do you have that experience? Everyone is having that experience. My next question is, how did you justify, even before that, did you feel bad for that? Anyone of you feel bad for that? I am happy. You are proud of what you are pursuing. So you are here by choice, not by chance. How many of you are here by choice? How many of you are here by chance? Do you know the difference between by choice and by chance? What is by chance? Chance means having no one. Chance is having no one. Just as the luck, just as the refugee getting is chance. But the choice is on my own volition. I am here on my own interest in choice. So, whether you are by choice or chance, forget about the choice or chance. Now make it as a choice. Till today you may be by chance, may not be by choice. I am happy that you are by choice. Let us not I do not underestimate anything, any profession, anything. You may have several ambitions, several expectations. You might have thought of interviews, you might have thought of so many university law colleges, you may have thought of engineering, law, MBA. But however, you are here. Maybe you are by chance also, maybe by choice also, because you are at the Karnool and you are happy at Karnool, you can't go anywhere, and whatever is available, I want to use the best available things, that's why I am here. That is also felt that because of the choice you are having. But don't make any distinction, don't have any difference between choice and chance, and make it as only choice from now onward. So you have no other chance, you have no other space, you have no other choice, this is the only choice. When you fix that this is the only choice, this is the only option I have, this is the only opportunity I have, you will be successful. If you think, look, in and around, several doors are there, you will be out of the doors will be welcoming you, many doors will be welcoming you, many attractive doors will be welcoming you, but to the extent of door only that is attractive. The moment you cross the door, there will be a lot of sellers, there will be a lot of riders, there will be a lot of things. So, don't be fascinated, don't be attractive, don't get attracted with all the things which look colorful from outside. You go there, okay? Fine. Then tell me one of you, what is your answer for comparison to your relative or friend or your family itself? మీరు ఆ పక్క వాళ్ళు ఇంకా బాగా చేస్తున్నారు, బాగా వాళ్ళకి త్వరగా ఉద్యోగం వస్తుంది, వాళ్ళకి త్వరగా పెళ్ళేది, నీకు ఎన్ని కష్టము అని చెప్పి ఎవరైనా వాటి క్రిటిసిజం ఫేస్ చేస్తే మీ ఆన్సర్ ఏం చెప్తారు? మీరు కూడా జ్యోతి
యాక్చువల్లీ నేను ఎంఏ ఇన్వైట్ చేశాను సబ్జెక్ట్ నాది. మా ఇంట్లో అందరూ ఏమన్నారంటే నువ్వు ఇంత చదివి మళ్ళీ లాస్ట్ సైడ్ ఎందుకు పోతున్నారని చాలా మంది నన్ను క్రిటిసైజ్ చేశారు కదా, నీకు అవసరమై కోర్ట్స్ ఇక్కడ కేసెస్ అవన్నీ అని. బేసిక్గా మా హస్బెండ్ వచ్చి హెడ్ క్వార్టర్స్ చెప్తాను, కోర్ట్ క్వార్టర్స్ చెప్తాను, ఆయన కోసం వెళ్తున్నావా అని నన్ను చాలా మంది క్రిటిసైజ్ చేస్తాను. కానీ నేను ఫాదర్ వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీలో, మా అత్త వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీలో నేను ఒక్కదాన్ని ఇప్పుడు లాయర్ అనమాట. అందుకు వాళ్ళు ఏమన్నారంటే అవసరం ఆడపిల్లలకి వస్తుంది అంటే లేదు, నేను చేసి చూపిస్తానని దీనికి పట్టుదల
So you are by choice you are here. So వేరే వాళ్ళతో పోల్చిన సందర్భం ఉందా?
ఉంది సార్.
ఏమన్నారు?
వాళ్ళు టీటీసీ చేసి బీఎడ్ చేసి తొందరగా జాబ్స్ వచ్చేసాయి. జాబ్స్ వచ్చి వాళ్ళు సెటిల్ అయిపోయినారు. నువ్వు ఈ ఏజ్లో ఇప్పుడు అంతా అన్ని డిగ్రీస్ చేసి కంప్లీట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ లాస్ట్ టైం వేరే సైడ్కి వెళ్ళిపోయినావు. ఎందుకు డిఎస్సీ అవి ఇవి వస్తాయని చెప్పి నాకు చాలా బోర్ చేస్తారు. గ్రూప్స్ ఉన్నాయి, డిఎస్సీ ఉంది, వేరే ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, అవి ఎందుకు చూస్ చేసుకోలేవంటే చాలా.
What was your answer that I am not opting for DSC, I am opting for this only? అంటే మీరు ఎందుకు నేను ఆప్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు?
నేను ఎందుకు చెప్పానంటే అది రిటైర్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది, ఇది ఎప్పుడు నా ప్యాషన్తో నేను చేస్తున్నాను. అది
You want to say something, please?
At the time of Corona, I quit my job, sir. At the time, I'm earning 80 lakhs per annum. After 3 years, after my first week, I went for again for software, sir. Local supported, we have to learn one more course. Sir, my family members also not supported me, sir. In that time, I choose this one. And my parents and my husband supported very well, sir. For that sake, I said the answer. I can earn lifetime. Till the day I can earn money and I can
No retirement for this.
no retirement for this.
Legal provision.
For that sake, I choose it. Always, everyone will say, sir, having kids while you are going to college, you can take care of your family, right? So, well, with my parents and my husband's support, I came here and I was personally lost it.
So are you confident that you are not regretting?
No,
You are not
sir, no,
regretting, you are confident, you are happy.
Yes, sir. Actually, in my family, there are high school journalists, late Hanumat sir, Hanumat Tatya sir, and lawyers. So many lawyers are there, sir. But with their presence, I need
చెప్తాను సార్. నేను 50 ఇయర్స్ ఏజ్లో నేను లా చదవాలని డిసైడ్ అయ్యాను సార్. మా పిల్లలు లండన్లో ఉన్నారు, ఇప్పుడు అవసరమా అని చెప్పినారు. కానీ మా మొహమ్మద్ జైన్ వంశంలో నేను మొట్టమొదటి లాయర్ సార్. ఎవ్వరు చదవలేదు, అందరూ ఇంజనీర్స్ ఉన్నారు, డాక్టర్స్ ఉన్నారు. కానీ ఇది రిటైర్మెంట్ లేని ప్రొఫెషన్ అండ్ ప్యాషన్లో చేరినాను సార్ నేను.
What made you to get attracted? దాని మీద ఎందుకు అంత రావాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
నేను లా అంటే నాకు ఈ ప్రొఫెషన్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం సార్.
అంటే మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? సంపాదించాలంటే మీరు ఏమైనా
నేను సంపాదించే కమర్షియల్ ఏం లేదు సార్. అయితే ఒక మహిళగా లా గురించి తెలుసుకోవాలా ముందు
తెలుసుకోవాలి. తెలుసుకున్నది
తెలుసుకున్నాను సార్. చాలా ఇప్పుడు ప్రాక్టీస్ మొదలు పెట్టాను సార్. రీసెంట్ గా కంప్లీట్ అయింది అది. ప్రాక్టీస్ మొదలు పెట్టాను.
So ignorance of law is not an excuse. Ignorance of law not an excuse. ఏమంటే చదువుకు మ్యాక్సిమం చెప్పారా? Ignorance, passive non-excuse. Non-excuse. Ignorance, passive non-excuse.
సార్ మెయిన్ థింగ్ వచ్చేసి లా ప్రతిసారి లాయర్స్ అందరూ చూపు తెప్పించుకుంటూనే ఉంటారు విన్నారు సార్. చాలా సార్లు విన్నారు సార్.
మీకోసం నేను ఆన్సర్ చెప్తాను తర్వాత. నాకు
సార్ అది ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీగా కొంచెం హానెస్ట్ గా ఉన్నది కేసు ముందుకు నడిపించి న్యాయం చేయాలని ఫీల్ ఉంది సార్. సో దానికోసం ఫైట్ చేయాలి
Arrogance emotion, arrogant body, arrogant body, mind. No frustrated is not possible. డాక్టర్ గారికి రాగానే డాక్టర్ సినిమాలు చూసి మీకు టెస్ట్ రాశారు అన్ని చేశారు చెప్పి హోంవర్క్ చేస్తుంది. లాయర్ సీరియస్ వెబ్ సిరీస్ చూడగానే ఇలా చేస్తున్నా అదే నేను వస్తుంది. మన మధ్య ఏదో సినిమా వచ్చింది డాక్టర్ చూస్తే ఏదో వస్తుంది. సో డోంట్ కోరిలేట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ టు యువర్ ఫ్యూచర్ ప్రాక్టీస్. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ ఐడియలిస్టిక్ ఆదర్శవంతమైన ఆలోచన ఉంచుకోండి. ట్రై టు డూ దాట్ బట్ బీ ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్. బీ రెడీ ఫర్ ఎనీ ఛాలెంజెస్. One thing, please, one thing, please. Please, please. Please do this. We are all students of law. Now we are elevating the law student to students of law. So now we are all students of law. One thing is very important. Be flexible. Okay? Math mathematical and scientific precision and accuracy is not possible in law because it is a social science. Maths is 2 plus 2, 4 this center. If you add H2 and O, it will become water. H2O is a scientific proven thing. It says precise and accurate. That the human behavior, two human behaviors and human behavior of different persons ought to be joined together. That too, it is made for a future conduct, not as an existing conduct. What has been completed, it is easy to decide. It is easy to divide. It is easy to say the solution for what has already happened. Future happenings, something is going to happen in future. What that we are saying, the solution in the law books, in the statute books. It's just a hypothetical, imaginary thing. And if it happens, do this. If it happens, do this. If it happens, otherwise do this. If the exception is this. These are all the hypotheses for the future happening. We cannot visualize and anticipate everything that is going to happen in future. So that's why the precision and the accuracy, what you have in respect of maths and science, you can't find in the social science, law particularly. Therefore, have an emotion, have an attachment, have a vision, and have an ideal target, but don't get frustrated, don't get disappointed. Be flexible to have a real life challenge and to come over it. That's what happens. Wonderful. One wheel runs fast and one wheel runs slow. Chariot will stop. Or chariot itself will get there. So to have a chariot run in a quiet and good way and to reach a proper destination, there must be coordination between the two wheels of a chariot. So both are equally important. He has very humbly, with all humility, said that okay, many a times the role of lawyer is more and he can prevent. Yes, he can prevent. Sometimes things are not even in his control. Sometimes there may be misinformation to him. Sometimes the change has said that like మీ అత్తగారు మేమైతే మా అత్తగారు ఆయన ఇన్సిడెంట్ లేదు. సో పెద్ద అత్తగారు అనేది కూడా ఉంటారు. ఆ పెద్ద అత్తగారు ఎవరంటే పబ్లిక్ media. We are under the game. Now, no longer you are separate and we are separate. We are all one. The two wheels have to run together. You are going to complete Justice Chariot after coming out from this college. Sir, you are the torch bearer. While bearing the torch, you must be cautious of how and what way and what are the obstacles that are going to come. First obstacle is the public view and public gaze, and also the view of the impressions of the media and the integrate who is our paymaster. Integrate paymaster is for you or for me, for anybody is litigant. So perception of the litigant shall be kept in view. A balancing view is necessary. That is possible with only neutrality. You do your job to the extent possible neutrally. When you are asked to as a lawyer, is it possible to discharge the duty neutrally? No. When my client comes and says that he has done a mistake, if I get a mistake, we will go down to the law. It is against professional ethics. Professional ethics protects non-disclosure of professional communication, but it does not protect you to protect even a wrong client. It is your professional obligation to protect your client within the legal limits. The protection in terms of 129, brother was referring to 122 to 129, all this is section 120 Series of Evidence Act refers to privileged communication between private husband client, and there are so many branches of relationships are there, social relations. In trust, if some relationship is exchanged between the two persons, that the communication is privileged meaning thereby no one shall compel me to disclose, and I am not supposed to disclose in breach of trust, but I am not prohibited from advising my client that is wrong, this is correct, this is, we should not do that, we do not restrain ourselves, this is good, longer consequences are going to be there. If tomorrow it is detected that I am lying, I am concealing something, if fraud is paid on the court, and there is chances of perjury, there is chances of charge of perjury, contempt, all these things are possible. That's why we must be fair to the court in what we can say to our client. We need not say to opponent, we need not say to court, but we must say to our client, their duty. If you are not failing in duty, you are successful. You are honest, you are true. You must tell your client that it is not correct. Still you want to do, it's okay. You will go to hospital. Sir, we don't disturb you. It is a risky thing. Not taking care to that whole hospital, meanwhile if something happens, you are not responsible. So discharge against the advice. So anything discharging me, him discharging duty. I am discharging my duty even against my advice, but at your insistence, I am doing it. That clarity you have, then the court automatically understands that you are saying wholeheartedly, not wholeheartedly. Are you playing gallery show? Are you playing honest? These things with the experience, bench within 5 minutes will know where to stand, and bench knows how to answer that directly or indirectly, with pen or gun or mouth or whatever way, depending on the situation context, they will answer. But the next phase is detached, professionally detached. Don't get attached to the result. Ultimately, the Karma Siddhanta of any religion, if you see, do your part. Don't care about the results. That detachment, attachment and detachment. Do the work attachedly, get detached with the result. Any religion, so do your work. Leave the result to some unforced and some supernatural element is there. Some will say God, some will say Ram, some will say Rahim, some will say Allah, some will say Christ. So, totally something beyond our comprehension. If you get attached to that, you will get nothing except BP, sugar, and that the doctors will come in. That is one thing. Is real life experiences you are going to have in the court. The moment you enter into court is first thing, probably you are fresh. Now over there, earlier they must be experiencing. First problem is some seniors also do this. Waiting. If you call to make a phone call to one of your friends, if you do not lift it, what is your feeling? You made a call, they are not lifting. How long will you wait? If the call is not connected, don't you curse your service provider like anything. Useless service. Nature is worst. I should switch on to some other I have to switch it. What happened to this man is not lifting, but what nonsense he is doing and not lifting my phone. So the tolerance to wait when your phone call is missing. Then or one case you go in the morning at 10:30 you will stand there. You matter is adjourned in the call, it's fine. You will switch on and you may think in the morning that you will go and read, but you will go to canteen or you will go to boardroom and you will have some kind of chart or whether you spend it as you planned, as you desired, and as it is deserving, God only knows that. But you try to do it during Karma, because sometimes unless a client is there, unless strict instructions are there from the senior, it is adjourned, let it be adjourned. If it is adjourned in the Karma, for all the day our work is over, we can go home. This is the tendency. You are going to have this kind of thing. For any reason, the other side says ready, and the matter is passed over, and some senior educator, some client comes and the matter takes up, and you are waiting. How much can you take? 1 hour, half an hour, 1 hour, half an hour. You are around the tea that is done. In the issue of application pending on ఏమైనా చూసుకుందామా డైరీ ఏమైనా డ్యూ నా డైరీ నోట్ డౌన్ అబౌట్ ది డైరీ అండ్ సంథింగ్ కొంచెం ఇట్ ఈస్ యూస్ఫుల్ థింగ్ బట్ సంబడి హ్యావ్ టు వెయిట్ ఈయన తినేస్తాడు రోజంతా తినేస్తాడు ఆ కట్ట తీసుకున్నాడు ఇన్ని కట్ట పెట్టాడు జడ్జ్మెంట్స్ పెట్టాడు ఇదంతా కలిపి 2 hours అయిపోతుంది కూడా అదే కదా దీంట్లోనే ఒక 10 నిమిషాలు కానీ దాని విషయం సమ్టైమ్ అంటే ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ది పర్సన్ హూ హాస్ స్టార్టెడ్ విత్ ఇట్ 10 or 20 minutes. Okay, we will do it next time. Then your matter immediately comes. You expected 1.5 hours and you get to have tea or chai, your matter is called and no representative is dismissed. And you say text party. Yes, మన సీనియర్ ఏం చేసావు ఎక్కడ నేను ఉన్నా కూడా ఎక్స్పర్ట్ చేశారండి, నేను ఉన్నా కూడా డిస్మిస్ చేశారండి, అక్కడే ఉన్నాను. జస్ట్ వెయిటింగ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ కోర్ట్, కోర్టు అవుట్ సైడ్ వెయిట్ చేయాలి, కోర్టు కుర్చీ వేసి కూర్చోంటున్నాను, వెయిటింగ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ కోర్టు. అప్పుడే ఫోన్ వచ్చింది, సైలెంట్ కోర్టు పెట్టిపోయింది, ఫోన్ అప్పుడు వస్తే ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది, ఫోన్ అవసరమే ఉంది అట్లయిపోయింది. ఫోన్ ఆడేదో మాట తీసుకొచ్చి మాట్లాడుతుంటే మనమేమి అలా కేసు తెలియదు, కట్ట తెలియదు, వాడు తెలియదు, ఇదంతా వేస్ట్ ఆఫ్ టైం. దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్. బట్ ది అదర్ సైడ్ హూ సిట్స్, who watches, who knows, who hears what's going on, made their efforts, computer efforts, cell phone is there, silent mode is there, they are referring to 1 people or 129 of Codex Act, they are referring to 106 of Codex Act, just go to that, there are so many apps, download and notebooks like are there, live is there, and free softwares are there, thousands of books you can get download, and మనకు సోనీ టీవీ ఉంటుంది, అన్ని అమెజాన్ ప్రైమ్ ఉంటుంది, నెట్ఫ్లిక్స్ మంత్లీ 159 169 కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఈ లైవ్ కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ కు సంవత్సరానికి 300 రూపాయలు 800 రూపాయలు లైవ్ కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ బెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ మనీ. నెట్ఫ్లిక్స్ 129 per month is a very valid investment, and that is the worst investment. Where will we go? So I leave it to you. So you are తీసుకోండి, ఇది అది ఉంది కంటెంట్ దానికి వెళ్తుంది, ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్కి వెళ్తుంది, దీనికే వెళ్తుంది, కానీ క్లిక్ దేని మీదకి వెళ్ళదు. ఫోటోలో కూడా క్లిక్ దేని మీదకి వెళ్తూ ఫోటో బయట మీ ఇంట్లో బెడ్రూమ్ లో వేయండి. సో వేర్ ఆర్ యూ క్లికింగ్, వాట్ ఆర్ యూ క్లికింగ్, అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్, ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎ డిస్కషన్, ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎన్ అట్రాక్షన్, ఇట్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ టు డ్రైవ్ యూ వేర్ ఇట్ డిసైడ్స్. యూ డిసైడ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. ఐ డోంట్ సే దట్. Have a self-respect, where to be used, how to be used, when to be used, and what to be used. These things, if you are so far, then you are successful. Your availability to the courtroom with all consciousness, your work is completed. స్వాతంత్ర సినిమా నాకు ఉద్యోగం ఇస్తారండి అంటే కమలాసన్ చుట్టూ పొద్దున మధ్యాహ్నం ఓట్లు పుట్టి ఎక్కడ కూడా సార్ నా ఉద్యోగం నాకు ఇచ్చారు ఉద్యోగం. నీ కేసు వాయిదా పడిందో అప్పచెప్పాడు సీనియర్, యూ సిట్ ఇన్ ద కోర్ట్ హాల్, యు డై దేర్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. బట్ డోంట్ టేక్ ఛాన్స్. దట్ మేక్స్ యూ ప్రామిసింగ్, యట్ విల్ బి వాచింగ్. అందరూ అడుగుతారు రాయడం సార్ మాట్లాడి ఆఫీస్ నువ్వు వస్తుంటే ఛాన్స్ ఇవ్వకుండా లేకపోతే చూసి వాళ్ళు కొట్టేస్తాను. యు ఆర్ నాట్ ప్రామిసింగ్. So you are promising this certainly అక్కడ తాగదు, కమిషన్ చేస్తాను, గార్డెన్ గా అపాయింట్ చేస్తాను, గార్డెన్ గా ఉంటారా, హోమ్ గార్డెన్ గా. These opportunities you will get from the court. You want a local inspection is there, you go. Some such petition is filed to find an accused illegally detained, and will you go and note down in the police station or such petition is there, then will you go? These kind of opportunities you will get if you gain the trust of the court. That's how you get things learned, and you gain the confidence of the court. Here the other senior advocates, other side opponents will be watching. That man is coming very regularly. That man is available. So some kind of cases there may not be keen contest. A performer contest will be there. Some advocate is necessary. They will ask, "Papa, will you appear in this case?" Some money they will give. Some engagement they will give. Your name will be on the roads. Your name will be called in the court. You will have a bundle for yourself. That confidence you get even from the opponent. The greatest profession under the sky, asking the opponent as learned, congratulating the opponent on success is the only legal profession. My learned friend is correct. Congratulations, brother, you have won the case. Seniors patent, both of us. When we won the cases against them also, they came out, but done by them, yes. In all other fights, There is certainly cuss Allah after going home, but in legal profession, justice is not given. Appreciation will be there, provided you are faithful and committed and honest. Think of all those things. Try to enjoy that kind of bliss. If you look at it, think of and dream of that, then you will never live. So one or two the kind of success things you experience, you will never live. Greatest menace for the legal profession, according to me, is the dropout. The person who drops out, finish. సినిమా డైరెక్టర్ 100 అడుగుల్లో నీళ్లు పడతాయంటే 99 అడుగులు 9 వదిలేస్తామని ఏమన్నారా అని. ఏ సినిమా చాక్లెట్ వర్తి చాక్లెట్ మోస్ట్ వర్తి చాక్లెట్. సో ఆ 100 అడుగుకు వెయిట్ చేసే ఓపిక ఉంటే 100 అడుగు పడిపోతుంది. That's what is needed. Have that spirit. Then understanding the opponent, understanding the judge, understanding the client, understanding all stakeholders, understanding the court atmosphere. You have to work with so many things. నేను ఒకటే నాకేం ఉంది నా బంధు ఉంది నేను పిల్లలు పెట్టాలి నాకు పోవాలి నేను క్యారియర్ ఇవ్వాలి నేను చేయాలి ఇవన్నీ చేయాలి. దాట్స్ నాట్ వెరీ స్టాండర్డ్. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాము ఫర్గెట్ అబౌట్ ఆల్ దోస్ థింగ్స్. Jealous mistress is what the legal professions ordered it to me. If you look at another thing, it's a very jealous thing, it will go out. Legal profession is a jealous mistress. That's what many speakers, many seniors said that you should have a consistency, you should have the monogamy with that profession only. If you look at any other thing, you are lost. So long as you are there, you please commit to that, or else take a divorce and go on to another to conclude way. You two both saying two both things will not come to the legal profession. That's what I am sure of. You want to be successful. Otherwise, okay, you want to get on just on the roads for vote election purpose, voting for on that day, going for election, somebody paying the subscription and going for that. These kind of things are also the legal system will get so much damage there. So that means you just think of. Continue just for the number sake, just for the identity card sake, just for putting an emblem on your vehicle not to be tagged by the police. These things please try to avoid that. That's it is a devotion, it's a God. Unless you have a faith in God, you don't embrace that. You must have embracement with all full-fledged love and devotion for that. It is as good as a God, it is going to feed you, it's a mother. Who feeds us? Mother feeds us. The provision is a mother. You must have respect, faith, and love. Then only you will do. The information is the wealth. Thank you, sir. Also, referring to English language and reading the newspaper, information from newspaper. Now another menace is media, another menace is Instagram, another menace is AI. AI is an area you have thousands of questions. If I go to that, I will open a Pandora box. I know, but still, as far as AI is concerned, not. We alone, total globe is facing the same problem, and it is going to do, it is going to take over, but be cautious. Because Ananda Supreme Court said, as far as AI is concerned, you just refer it, don't rely on it. You need not, you cannot ignore it. Use it for information purpose. Refer it, verify it, then rely it. So the stages are refer it, verify it, rely it. These three steps. This cycle theory, if you follow, then it will be useful. Otherwise, if you blindly rely on it, you yourself will be so effective, you feel that he may be convicted. And the photo will be there, your photo will be there, and you will pay for your conviction. That is going to happen. So, blind reliance. So, that influence of media, criticism of the public, one of the friends, brother was explaining the delays, and the whole problem is why delays. The answer, finest answer, one answer anybody from you, then I will try to answer. Probably I will proceed within 5 to 10 minutes. In the last phase, I had a lot of, but anyhow, I finished it. One thing is delay. When anybody questions or attributes or allegates that, నీ కోర్టులలో కేసులు తెగవు, కోర్టుకు వెళ్ళినా కాటుకు వెళ్ళినా ఒకటే, కోర్టుకు వెళ్ళినవాడు గెలిచిన వాడు ఇంటికి పోయేస్తాడు, కోర్టు గెలిచిన వాడు కోర్టులో ఒంటిలో కోర్టు వేస్తారు, వేస్తారు. ఇలాంటి మాటలన్నీ పొద్దున్న వేస్తే ఇంటా ఉంటాం బయట. ఇదన్నిటికీ ఏమి అంటే డిలే, జస్టిస్ డిలేడ్, జస్టిస్ డిలేడ్, జస్టిస్ అబీడ్, జస్టిస్ అని ఎవరికి వచ్చింది వాళ్ళు చెప్తారు. ఇవన్నీ చెప్పిన క్రమంలో జస్టిస్ డిలే అవుతా ఉంది అనే దానికి సంబంధించి మీ కోర్టులలో ఆలస్యం అవుతుంది, ఎందుకు అవుతుంది అని ఎవరిని అడిగితే మీరేం ఆన్సర్ చెప్తారు, ఎవరిని ఒకరికి ఆన్సర్, తర్వాత నేను ఆన్సర్ చెప్పడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాను. మీరంతా డిసైడ్ చేయాలి ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్. ఎవరు ఒకరు చెప్తారా? ఏమన్నా కండిషన్ చెప్పండి.
నేను ఉన్న దాని ప్రకారం, నాకు తెలిసిన దాని ప్రకారం 99 మంది నిర్దోషులు తప్పించుకున్నా పర్లేదు, కానీ దోషులు తప్పించుకున్నా
అడిగిన ప్రశ్నకు ఆన్సర్ ఎందుకు ఆలస్యం అవుతుంది అనే దానికి కోర్టులో ఎవరైనా వచ్చి మీ కోర్టులలో అంతా ఆలస్యం అవుతుంది అంటున్నారు, మీరు దానికి ఏం సమాధానం చెప్తారు? కోర్టులలో ఆలస్యం కావడం వచ్చి మీ కోర్టుకి వెళ్తే వేస్ట్, ఆలస్యం అవుతుంది అక్కడ నేను పోలీస్ స్టేషన్కి వెళ్తా, ఏ మీరు పెద్ద దగ్గరికి వెళ్తా, నీ కోర్టుకు నేను రాను, కోర్టుకు వస్తే వేస్ట్ అన్నారు. దానికి నువ్వేం సమాధానం చెప్తావు? ఇది నేను అంటాను మాట్లాడాల్సిన నేను రాసుకుంటున్నాను విషయన్స్. నేను మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు చెప్పింది నాకు బయట పైన కాదు, కానీ ఇక్కడ మాట్లాడాలి. క్లాస్ రూమ్లో మాట్లాడకపోతే, అకాడమిక్స్లో మాట్లాడకపోతే స్పీక్ అవుతుంది. సో ఏం సమాధానం చెప్తారు?
ఒక ప్రొసీజర్ పాయింట్.
వెరీ వండర్ఫుల్. సో వాళ్ళు ఫాలో అయ్యే ప్రొసీజర్ ఏదో నోటుకు వచ్చింది, ఎవడేదో మంచోడు చెడ్డోడు అని చెప్తే కాదు, నేను ఒక పద్ధతి ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. కోర్టు అంటే ఒక పద్ధతి. వెరీ గుడ్. ఓకే, ఇంకా ఏమైనా చెప్తారా? చెప్పండి. జడ్జెస్ చేంజ్ కావడం, ఒక జడ్జి చేంజ్ చేయకుండా జడ్జెస్ చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నారా? అదొక కారణం. ఆన్సర్ పబ్లిక్ డిపెండ్ చేసుకోవాలా? ఇప్పుడు జడ్జెస్ మీద కారణం తోసేస్తాను. ఆయన జడ్జి కలిసి పబ్లిక్ అడిగే ప్రశ్నకు దేని బాబు ఆమె చెప్పిన ఆన్సర్ మేము పద్ధతి ప్రకారం చేయాలంటే ఎట్లా చేయడానికి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాను. అలాగే ఏదైనా ఒక ఆన్సర్, మంచి ఆన్సర్.
జడ్జెస్ టు పబ్లిక్ రిలేషన్ అనేది చాలా తక్కువ ఉంది సార్. సో ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పెండింగ్ కేసెస్,
ఓకే, జడ్జి కేస్ పాపులేషన్ రేషియో, యు ఆర్ ది పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ జడ్జి కేస్ పాపులేషన్ రేషియో ఇస్ వన్.
ఐ యూజ్ దట్ పాయింట్.
ఓకే, తగినంత మంది జడ్జిలు అపాయింట్ కేసు పెట్టుకుంటే జడ్జిలు తక్కువ. వెరీ గుడ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకొక చాప్టర్. నెక్స్ట్ ఎనీ అదర్ పాయింట్? చెప్పండి. సార్ చెప్పండి. నేను చెప్పినాక
ఫాలోయింగ్ ద ప్రొసీజర్.
సో ప్రొసీజర్ సప్లిమెంటేషన్
టెక్నికల్ గా అంటే బయట గమనిస్తున్నంత క్లియర్ గా ఏది విజిబుల్ గా ఉండదు. సో దేర్ వి నీడ్ టు ఫాలో. చాలా బేసిక్ గా ఉన్నది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం డిఫికల్ట్.
మేము చాలా ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ గా చేస్తున్నాము, అందుకని ఆలస్యం అవుతుంది అంటారు. నేను ఇప్పుడు పబ్లిక్ పడినాగా మీ కోర్టులో లేట్ అవుతుంది అంటున్నా, మీరేనా సమాధానం చెప్తున్నారు? ఆ రెండు దాంట్లో ఒక సమాధానం ఓకే వస్తాను.
సార్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా నేను చిట్చాట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ నేను ఇచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ ఏంటంటే సార్, ఎందుకు ఇలా లేట్ అవుతుంది అంటే టెక్నికల్ గా మనం ఫిలిమ్స్ లో చూస్తున్నాం రౌడీ అనేది డిఫరెంట్ క్యారెక్టర్లు మనకి ఎగ్జిబిట్ అవుతుంది. సో వీల్ ఫైండ్ హిమ్ ఈజ్ ఏ రౌడీ. వేరాజ్ ఇన్ అవర్ న్యాచురల్ లైఫ్ లో వీఆర్ మిస్ విత్ దట్. అది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం డిఫికల్ట్ గా ఉంటుంది. అది ఏది కూడా మీరు చేయాలి కాబట్టి
ప్రాక్టికల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చాలా ఉంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్
టెక్నాలజీ వాడడం లేదు
నాట్ ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ది టెక్నాలజీ. సో ఎవరు తప్పది? మనం అనేది తప్పకున్నట్టే. ఎవరు వాడాలి? ప్రభుత్వం వాడాలా? నేను లాస్ట్ వాడద్దా? జడ్జి వాడద్దా? మనకు ముందు తెలుసా వాడడానికి? ఎవరు తెలుసుకోవాలి? మనం తెలుసుకోవాలి. అప్పుడు మనం తప్పు ఒప్పుకున్నట్టు. తప్పు మన మీద పెట్టుకోవద్దు. జాగ్రత్త సో అబ్సెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది పార్టీస్ ఇస్ ది రీజన్. అదేం లేదు, ఇక మీరు వస్తే మేము చేస్తాం. సాక్ష్యం చెప్తే కదా నేను చేసేది, లేకపోతే నేను చేస్తాను. వండర్ఫుల్ ఆన్సర్ సార్. ఎవిడెన్స్ యాక్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ మార్చేసాం కదా మొన్ననే. ఎవిడెన్స్ యాక్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సేమ్ కదా, అలాగే ఉంది
సార్. అడ్వకేట్స్ డిలే చేస్తారు సార్ కొన్ని సందర్భాలు.
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్. సార్ ట్రైనింగ్ సో ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్ నెసరీ. అప్డేషన్ కానీ నాలెడ్జ్ అప్డేషన్ కానీ ట్రైనింగ్ కానీ లేదు. ట్రైనింగ్ అవసరం ఉంది. ట్రైనింగ్ అయితే అందరూ అవుతారు. ఎవరు ట్రైన్ కావాలి? ఓకే, జడ్జెస్ ట్రైనింగ్ వెళ్ళడం వల్ల అవుతాను అంటున్నారా? నేను ఇది but training is mandatory. చట్టంలో అలా ఉంది. That is one reason. That is one reason I understand.
And one more reason is they are not giving judgments quickly because they don't want to have any blame on their own. Suppose if they give their judgment, but why morning they will do? So this is also one of the reasons why they are not.
ఇప్పుడు నీకు వ్యతిరేకంగా చేస్తే మీరు ఏమైనా లవ్ లెటర్ రాస్తారేమో భయం. నెక్స్ట్ పేషెన్స్. అన్నింటి కలిపి ట్రస్ట్ అనే విషయం ఎవరి మీద ఎవరికైనా నమ్మకాలు తగ్గినాయంటున్నారా, నమ్మకం ఉందంటున్నారా? ఇంకా వ్యవస్థ మీద నమ్మకం ఉందా లేదా? సో బాబు కొంచెం లేట్ అయినా కూడా ఖచ్చితంగా జరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి నమ్మకమైన ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ అది ఎల్ఐసి లాగా పాలసీ లాగా నమ్మకమైంది అనేది సార్. ఇప్పుడు మధ్యలో లేట్ అవుతారు సార్, మన కరస్పాండెంట్ సార్ గారు చెప్తారు. వాటి కూడా కొద్దిగా మైక్ ఇవ్వండి. ఫ్యాకల్టీ కాదు, మైక్ ఇవ్వండి సార్. విదేశీ సంబంధించి వారు ఆఫ్ చేస్తా. డిలేస్ ప్రజలు అలిగేషన్ చేస్తున్నారు. మీ దగ్గర ఆలస్యం అవుతుందని ఏం ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి అని వీళ్ళని ట్రైనింగ్ చేస్తారు.
I support our senior advocate's argument basic aspect in the beginning only. Integrity and the honesty of the judicial system. System. And not applying the latest techniques of the technology into the process of the judicial process. Say another 4-5 years, I think you can have this solution for this question. The artificial intelligence is now with a booming domain. It may change in very soon. Maybe judiciary also will adopt that methods and techniques, and instead of studying the books, you will go for CD, marking only the relevant point in the system and give to the honorable judge in the bench, so that you can evaluate or maybe you can appreciate and deliver the dispose the case so quickly. And maybe your arguments also will be going to happen through the application of the artificial intelligence process. So with that, definitely this is the solution only for the delay. That's my observation or my whatever small knowledge.
God is lost back on chocolates. Please. So, lastly, before concluding, I must thank everyone who is present here. Firstly, I sincerely thank Guru, and the correspondent of the institution, principal of Propare, and my friend and co-chair, towering person, and leader with the General Bond, Professor Master, and Shivakumar Garu, and all the faculty at this college, and for your patient hearing and tolerating everything. And that too, added to that, they are all very close. I thought of initially saying that remove that, but I thought that you must also get trained in that very quickly in December before the court. That's why I did not say. And court is always a pride for the lawyer, so I don't want to deny that pride into you. So you have pride, okay. And I conclude adding and saying that consistency and availability is the key for the success. You must be available to your profession, you must be available to your senior, you must be available to your client, and you must have consistency in your approach without any distortion, without any dissatisfaction. From today's class. So please be available, be hopeful, be positive. Don't expect immediate monies. Don't expect don't compare yourself with a software professional who will get 4 lakhs or 5 lakhs package soon after going out. They will join with 4 lakhs or 5 lakh package, they will go maximum to 10 lakhs or 12 lakhs package. And you may wonder, you may have 10 lakhs per month even in the days to come. They can never go to 1 crore package, but you can go to 1 crore package. Your continuous availability is there with the provision. So with all legal means, and if you are consistently and if you are truly available with the following all the basic ethical norms, and you will be certainly successful. I am sure and I pray God that just 2 or 3 of you will be in this chair, and from the warrant or from the bench end, even from the High Court bench end, and many of you shall be blessed with that kind of esteem and whatever you desire. And the Lord, let the God deliver you from the desire by blessing you. Choicest blessings following the words of the thankful Son. So, and the God, short choicest blessings for all of you. Thank you, Honorable Pastor.